Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning in. It's Niels here, and this episode I'm gonna talk a little bit and work on faded paint. This is what I mean. What happened is I repainted this, and before I was able to put the truck inside the garage, it started to rain. It was not forecasted, was not expecting it. It was just a very local shower, but enough to ruin the paint job. What happened is it became all weird and flat and spotty and whatever. So what I need to do now, it has been drying for about 3 weeks to completely cure. Now I'm gonna sand it down again and reapply the paint. The same thing happened here. So this is actually okay. It's also newly painted, but the rain wasn't able to splash onto here. But you can see that actually it did leave this completely knackered. Was not, of course, not expecting that. Very annoying, but yeah, what do? So the only thing I can do is to sand it down and reapply a new fresh layer of paint. Let's dive in. Regarding the bodywork, I did some stuff off camera. What I'm currently doing is touch up the paint because I wasn't satisfied with it. So what did I do? I sanded the roof down because there were a couple of these spots, those little hairline things. I really don't like those. And so what I'm doing now is I applied a primer layer, and that cured overnight, and now it's time to sand that somewhat smooth, and then I can apply a new top coat. But because this has been rained on just after I applied it, it looked horrible, so I sanded this down already. I need to sand it a little bit more to make it a little bit more even. Then also have to sand this and actually also the whole door. So pretty much I'm going to repaint the door, the whole cab, front, hood and bed will stay like it is, at least for now. So yeah, it's a bit a waste of time because I already did everything before, so punch in the head for that. But while doing, you are learning, right? So this is as far as I'm willing to take it. Yes, it's still a bit rough, but then again, it's not a trailer queen. It's gonna be just something nice on the side. Still very pitty, but hopefully the top coat will cover it up a little bit, just to get it a little bit smoother. So all in all, quite happy with this side. Let me show you the other side. As this. So this is all pretty smooth. Probably what I'm gonna do is paint up to this line and up to that line, because this is already spotty a little bit. Will just blend in, because you will of course see the transition from the old paint to the new paint. This is all done. This is all prepped. I just have to degrease it. Door I'm gonna do later. This is all prepped as much as possible. So just gonna tack this down to remove all the dust and well, whatever is still on the truck. Then let it sit in the sun for a while to really properly dry up, and then when the sun is away, it will probably be in about 3-4 hours, I guess, maybe a little bit longer, which is ample time to let everything which is still maybe a little bit moist dry off. So I've got a nice solid foundation to lay the top coat. So really looking forward to that. After that, it probably has to dry at least 3 weeks to remove all the glossiness, and then it will turn into a semi-gloss, the same as you see it right here. Just like that, applying a fresh new layer of Battleship Grey. See, what is it? Grey with an E or with an A? I think that's the difference between English and American English, right? But correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. Is how to blend it in without getting lines. That's the tricky bit, which I didn't quite master just yet, but just keep on doing it will probably make me a better roller slash painter. Still got a little bit of paint left in my tray, so why not address the bumper already, because that's going to be Battleship Grey too. Let's get cracking. This is the before. Well, the light conditions really changed, so it's probably very hard to see how it currently looks like, but yeah, the bumper is now also Battleship Grey, same as the body. I'm really liking this. Hello GoPro. For now, thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do like and share to make this channel a little bit bigger, would be much appreciated. Thanks so much, see you on the next one.